Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recorded this video and I wasn't gonna post it, but I decided to anyway. So basically it's just watching me do my makeup. I'm using the NYX Total Coverage Control Drop Foundation, and I really like this foundation. It's really light and dewy. So yeah, I'm just putting it all over, and look at I look like an idiot trying to follow the people on Instagram. So yeah, just blending and buffing that in with a e.l.f. Foundation brush. Blending it in, blending it in. And now I'm just going to take my Real Technique sponge and just go over it and just continue to blend it in some more, take away the excess. And I like to use the sponge because it makes it look a little more skin-like. And now I switch back to the brush, continue blending, blending, blending. Y'all know the drill. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, and the good thing about this foundation, and it is buildable, so you can have a very light look, or you can also go in and build up the coverage to make it a little more medium to full. Today I was going for like a medium coverage, so yeah, here I am adding some more to build up that coverage. I'm gonna do the same thing, blend that all in. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take my Sephora Bright Future Gel Concealer. I'll have all the products listed below in the description box, the colors and shades and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes, down the bridge of my nose, same old, and blend that out. I was going for like a natural, you know, a natural look, so I'm not trying to put too much on. Okay, so here I am gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. I want to say this is the shade C13, and just to add a little more brightness to my under eye, because I do like a bright under eye. And here I was gonna try to let that dry, because when you let it dry down, it'll make, you know, the coverage a little fuller, but I got lazy and I didn't want to wait, so I'm just blending it out. But yeah, when you put your concealer down, if you let it dry down for like a minute or so, it'll make the coverage fuller to conceal more. But I ain't have time for that today. Okay, so I'm just going to take my Mercier Translucent Deep powder and set my under eyes and my nose and my chin and everywhere that I put that concealer, honey. We're just going to set it in place so we don't have any creases. And I love this powder. It's expensive, but it does the job. You'll have no flashback. You won't be looking ashy, and it sets your makeup in place so that it lasts all day. So I stand for Mercier. And now I'm just taking my Sephora powder and just dusting it all over my face, just to bring everything together, to make sure everything is blended, and to set the rest of my face. So I put that Mercier under my eyes, on my nose, and on my chin, and I'm just using this Sephora powder. It's my skin color, and I'm just setting that foundation so that it stays in place all day as well. So if you're not setting your foundation, that may be the reason why you're, you know, oily throughout the day. I do have dry skin, so that's why I do like a light dewy foundation like the NYX one. Now I'm taking my Covergirl Queen Ebony Bronzer and just doing some bronzing to my cheeks, chiseling and sculpting them out, honey. Same old, you know, I love this Ebony Bronzer, and it is discontinued, so that sucks, but we had a nice run while it lasted. So now I'm taking my Ruby Kisses All Over Glow in the color Bronze Glow and gonna highlight my face, on my cheekbones, above my eyebrows, down my nose, same old, and then I'm gonna blend that out, honey, because you don't want it to be too harsh, but you do want to glow. And yes, if you guys have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. I have about 4 or 5 videos on my channel now, so I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went over and checked out those other videos. Yeah, and also, like I said, please subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any uploads from me, so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm taking a brown liner and I line my lips. And now I'm going in with the NYX Buttergloss and the color Madeline. I really like this gloss. It's super pretty. And that's it. This was just a very natural, soft beat, you know, nothing too crazy. Just the everyday face. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the support so far. And I'll see you in my next video.